Sometimes I laugh when I go back and edit these videos at how normal my life is, at how normal my house is. Welcome to the vlog. We're doing it again. Oh, hello, madam. I find a vlog is a nice video for me to whip together when life gets a little wild. And my big inhale there feels a little chaotic at the moment. Today is Monday, November 13th, and the kids have a PD day today, which was unexpected because I didn't plan my week ahead kind of thing. So last week we were in Alberta visiting my in-laws. And full transparency, it was a hard visit. My mother-in-law is unwell and not like the recovery kind of unwell. You know what I mean? So it's really awful. And but she's in a really good place right now and she's feeling pretty good. I wouldn't say great, but she's feeling okay. And so it was a nice time to go and visit with my kids. This is Dean's mom. To go spend time with her, share stories, tell her how much we love her, that kind of thing. And because we live in Ontario, it's a journey, right? It's not the easiest place for us to go and visit as often as we would like. So I took the kids last year by myself and it was lovely. Really? Can you just calm down? Not the easiest place to get to for us because it's actually in Lethbridge, Alberta. So for those that have been here a while, we as a family lived with my in-laws for about 8 months when we got back to Canada. The long story short is we weren't actually expecting to stay in Canada when we left Malaysia. So Jack was about 8 months old, 9 months old. We had done this kind of whirlwind tour of Southeast Asia. We went to, where did we go? We went to the Philippines, we went to Hong Kong, we did Thailand. It was amazing. But anyway, we came back to Canada for a little visit in October of 2014. We actually went trick-or-treating, which was really fun. I think we did Thanksgiving as well. Anyway, to go back in the history books for that one. I'll include a vlog, okay? Because that's all, I've been doing this a long time. The kids were so tiny. So anyway, we unexpectedly lived with them. Just that the world was in a weird place in 2014 and we weren't super comfortable moving to Dubai or, the Middle East, UAE type of thing. And anyway, Dean ended up getting a job in Ontario and that's what led us back to Canada. But there was that interim period and it was really one of the most delightful times. My mother-in-law is a professional homemaker and she also just is so easy to love and she loves us so easily. And she was so incredible when my kids were that age. She would help me with bath time. She did all the cooking. I was not able to manage the cooking or anything, and it's her house, but I did all the dishes, we were quite a team and it feels very heavy, when someone you love is sick and it's damn it. And there's nothing that you can do to fix the situation. So I feel a little muddled right now. I think also carrying those types of feelings for your children and for your spouse, it's a really heavy thing. Grief is very heavy. And it's especially strange, the grieving process doesn't just start when you lose the person. There's a whole lot of feelings when you have time, right? Time to feel your feelings, time to tell the person you love them, all of that stuff. Not gonna get emotional right now because I feel it. But what I am gonna do is get my life together. So we were away Monday through Thursday, and I know it's only a 2-hour difference from Ontario to Alberta, but just enough to really mess with your sleep. So I feel really tired. I took my kids to go see the Royal Agricultural Fair on Saturday. Did we drive over an hour to go check out some animals in Toronto? Yeah, we did. Today's the last day for the Royal Agricultural Winter Fair in Toronto. You've got animals, you've got food, you've got animals, you've got food. Okay, I said that twice, but it was so fun. The freeze-dried snacks were such a hit. We also walked away with fudge and caramel apples, which I'd love to show you, but we've eaten them. It was an epic day, worth the drive, worth the visit. Happy kids means happy mom. I hope you guys can check it out. And if you do, let me know. And then Sunday, Esme and I had this volunteer thing, and here we are. So I feel like I'm playing catch up because honestly, Monday I need to work. So I'm gonna do a little bit of everything today. But first things first, I feel really muddled. I've said it a few times now. I haven't worked out in like a week. And I know, and if you know me and you've been here a while, like I don't feel good unless I get that energy out. So I've got a 30-minute workout planned, nothing major, just some like nice heavy weights. Take my dogs for a WALK in a bit. And on that note, are they on the bed? Yeah, they're both on the bed. They're both feeling a bit sad. They get stressed when I go, and they also got like a little bug at the dog kennel, which happens from time to time. It's a great dog kennel, but sometimes dogs get sick. And so they're both kind of have like a loose bowel situation, and it's not great. So on top of everything I'm doing, I'm also cleaning some carpets. Wonderful. Oh, outfit, check. We've tucked the front in because nobody wants, you know, when you're curvy, you don't want your shirt to just be like hitting you right at the curviest spot. So slippers and workout socks that I'll be bringing downstairs. Okay, so here's where we're at. We're going for tidy, okay? We are not going for perfect. Bed is made. Tidied my bedside table. I'm pretty excited to read this book. I'm in the middle of reading a book right now, but this is a TikToker who is a hospice nurse, and I'm super pumped. And also, how cute are these little doopa-doopas? 2018, my gosh. I use that as a bookmark from time to time. That's fun. So last night I went to go brush my teeth, and I come to the sink here, and right at the floor right there, just a pile of soap. This bottle, oh, there it is. This bottle has a crack in the bottom. I don't know how that happened. Can you see that crack right there? Leaked out onto the floor and onto the bottom of everything you see here. So I could not cope with that last night. So I also have to wipe the bottoms of all of these bottles and put them back under the sink. Wonderful. There we go. Jack's room. You know, I made the bed fresh and then he got dressed. Who cares? It's a mess, but his room is tidy. That's good enough. Jack's room. Anyone like me gotta kind of go like layer by level. Oh my God, I'm tired. Level by level of the house. So like I said, we are not deep cleaning. I did a big deep clean like the weekend before we left, I think. In any case, it's fine. It's mostly just the tidy. So let's get the laundry started. I'll throw on the dishwasher, make sure everyone's happy and fed. Then I'll get my workout on. Then I will clean carpets or maybe do the Christmas tree. We'll see which order. And then, you know, Christmas tree time. Little check-in. It's about 2:30, so I'm almost done vacuuming. The little vacuum that works so hard, the Dyson V15. Love this thing. Anyway, vacuuming, fluffing pillows, trying to clear surfaces, but like honestly, we're just doing our best. Can you hear the Christmas music? So Esme is upstairs. We have 2 artificial Christmas trees. So I bought one like 10 years ago, or I guess 9 years ago when we moved to Canada. And then I got another one last year, actually through a Christmas campaign with Canadian Tires. And I really like that tree. So that, you know, my tree, I'm not ready to put it up actually. I'm just not ready. It's 12 degrees today in Ontario. No, I'm not ready. And I still have to move all of my leaves outside. Also, where am I gonna find the hours for this? There's the leaves, by the way. This year, I'm gonna mulch. You see how my neighbors have it on the curb out there? The city will pick it up, which is great, but I'm actually considering mulching because my yard is so big. Just as a reminder, by the way, that's my yard. My kid's playing on his iPad with his friends, that's awesome. Anyway, yeah, so I still have the whole backyard too. God. I did do like, put all the summer furniture away, so that's good. It's a never-ending list, isn't it? Now, I tackle the kitchen. So it is dirty, countertops are full. That should take me about 15 minutes. We've got laundry going. I think I'm on like load number 3. It's 2:30 and I still am in my workout clothes and haven't done a workout. I did eat an egg though, so got my protein up a little bit and I'm committed. We can still do this as long as I don't get to 5. If I get to like 4:35, the workout's not happening. So we still have time. Thankfully, the basement is tidy. Everything else is tidy. It's just the kitchen I have left. So we're looking good. And I usually fold laundry while watching TV, and maybe we'll sit down together and fold laundry after my workout. I actually don't mind folding laundry. It's not terrible. Oh crap, I just remembered I have to do the carpets. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. Also, typically when I share like this, there's several of you that are like, guys, get your kids involved. And I'm on it. I'm working on it. I just don't have the capacity to try to like manage that right now. Top of the video. heavy emotions lately. I just like, I can't, you know, fight with them to get them doing more chores. But my son is gonna take all the garbage out. You can see we have our recycling and garbage back there. So he's gonna be doing that for me tonight. Oh my God, the life of a mother. Like I feel like I'm like demonstrating the invisible work right now through this conversation. I just realized Esme's birthday party falls in 2 weeks. Technically her birthday's in 3 weeks, but I just realized we got to get those invitations out. The Christmas tree is up. We have reorganized the whole room to ensure that there's space for the Christmas tree. Love it. And it's not quite done. Like there's other decorations I think that belong to Esme, but they're in the other decorations bin, so she's got to wait a bit. Like the skirt for the tree. But that'll do for now. It looks amazing. So cute. Ah, I did it. We're cleaned up. I've got tacos on my mind for dinner tonight, which is lovely. And the dishwasher's running. And everything is tidy. I mean, to my standards, okay? I still have my carpet cleaner sitting right there and a light that needs to be put away, but like overall, we're good. We have countertops wiped down. The table is ready for dinner. Most things are put away. The laundry is in process. Like we're doing the thing, okay? Living room is tidy and cozy and smells fabulous. I maybe haven't talked about my candles in a while. If you know, you know, Friendo Apothecary is my candle company with my husband. And this one, Wake, is possibly one of my favorites. So they're all wood wick, hand poured, soy wax candles, stunning. I'll sit for a second. But yeah, they're a lovely candle. In fact, we have a Christmas one coming out pretty soon. We had a successful Halloween launch. Those ones are just some of my favorite scents, like Drunk Pumpkin, Witch's Brew, just like gorgeous, gorgeous scents. Anyway, so Christmas candles are coming. I love when I clean my house and then I light the Wake candle. It's so good. Anyway, so that's lovely. Guys, we're almost there. It's, what is it, 3:30, 3:55. We're gonna go do the workout right now. I just took my pre-workout, so there's no turning back. I can't believe it. I can't believe I'm getting this done. And then after this, 2 things. Carpet, and it's not like I'm cleaning the whole carpet. I'm spot cleaning, okay? So the carpet, and then what else did I say? Oh, then I gotta cook dinner, and then fold laundry. Easy peasy. Okay, so today I am doing my Cheryl Coulomb workout. She's on YouTube, and she always does her weightlifting without shoes, so I'm gonna try that today. Sometimes my feet hurt when I walk around the house. I always wear indoor slippers and things, but I don't know what an outdoor slipper would be. Anyway. I did the carpets. Esme cooked dinner. We had the dill pickle soup. So earlier today, I sent my daughter an Instagram link to dill pickle soup, and she made it. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Spoon. Is that spoon for me or you?
For you.
I'm so excited. What?
Are you happy?
Happy. I'm thrilled. Let's see here. All right, taste test time. It is a Polish soup. I sent her this link and I was like, I am ready. Do you want to be in it? Okay. I was sitting on my bed playing my video game and I was like, boy, my girl is busy and doing something in the kitchen.
It's hot.
So good. Oh my God.
It's so easy.
Delish. Dean had made bread yesterday. Perfect. It was great. I cleaned the kitchen. I walked the dogs. Actually, it was a lovely walk. Face is clean. Now time for a little bit of the evening routine. So tonight, well, I'm gonna do a few things. I'm actually gonna use my red light mask so my face is washed. Then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do a little bit of glycolic acid for pores. So It Cosmetics really like this. And then I will top it with this Neostrata moisturizer. Love this, found it on Amazon. I'll link it below. And then a little bit of eye cream, First Aid Beauty. This is their niacinamide. So this is called niacinamide brightening eye cream. So that one. And that's it. So red light therapy, let's go. I found one of these in my daughter's room. It's always nicer when someone else does it to you, but I'll accept. Sometimes I laugh when I go back and edit these videos at how normal my life is, at how normal my house is. Probably more often than not, you know, you see this very small percentage of people who live in these like epic houses and share their life online and all their clothing is like monochrome. I'm like, what? Who are these people? I don't live like that. Okay, so the mask, what's it called? Current Body. I already told you guys about this in a previous video. This was sent to me as a PR gift and I'm kind of obsessed. Like, I think I understand the appeal and I actually think it works. Like there's something happening, a brightening, a tightening. It's all good things. So big fan. 10-minute timer. Go. And I'm actually gonna play my video game for a few minutes because why not, right? Get a little relaxation while we're doing our skincare. Thank you for joining me as I did all of my tasks around the house. And I appreciate you. So thanks for being here. Subscribe if you're new and I will catch you next week with another video. Bye guys.